Look up at the night sky. What do you see? Twinkling stars are scattered across the darkness. Each one is a sun, just like our own. Some are bigger than our sun, some are smaller, but they are all incredibly far away. Now, imagine traveling to the farthest star you can see. What would you find? More stars. In fact, you would find yourself in another part of our galaxy, the Milky Way. But the Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the universe. And each of those galaxies contains billions of stars. It's enough to make your head spin. The universe is vast and mysterious. It's full of wonder and possibility. Is it infinite, stretching on forever? Or is it finite with an edge somewhere out there? This question has fascinated humans for centuries. Let's explore the possibilities together. Before we can tackle the question of an infinite or finite universe, we need to understand something called the observable universe. This term refers to the portion of the entire universe that we can observe from Earth, given the limitations of the speed of light and the age of the universe. Imagine you're standing in the middle of a vast ocean. The ocean stretches out in all directions, seemingly endless. You can only see as far as the horizon. The horizon is the limit of your vision, beyond which you cannot see. Beyond that, the Earth curves away and everything is hidden from view. The universe is similar. Just as the curvature of the Earth limits our view, the vast distances in space limit what we can observe. We can only see a certain distance in every direction. This distance is determined by the age of the universe and the speed of light. This is our cosmic horizon, and it defines the edge of the observable universe. Beyond this horizon, there are parts of the universe that we cannot see, no matter how powerful our telescopes are. It's like a giant bubble centered on us. This bubble represents the maximum distance from which light has had time to reach us since the beginning of the universe. But here's the thing, the observable universe is not the entire universe. There is much more beyond our cosmic horizon that we cannot see. It's just the part we can see right now. The universe extends far beyond what we can observe, potentially infinitely. Light from objects beyond the cosmic horizon hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. The universe is so vast that light from the most distant objects is still traveling towards us. Think of it like waiting for a letter to arrive from a faraway land. The letter is on its way, but it hasn't reached you yet. If the letter hasn't arrived yet, it doesn't mean the land doesn't exist. Similarly, just because we can't see beyond the cosmic horizon doesn't mean there isn't more universe out there. The light from those distant parts of the universe is still on its way. As time goes on, we may be able to see more of the universe as the light from these distant regions finally reaches us. Now, let's talk about the possibility of an infinite universe. Imagine a universe that goes on forever, in every direction. No matter how far you travel, you'll never reach an edge. There would always be more to explore. This idea might seem mind-boggling, but it's actually supported by some of our best scientific theories. One of these theories is called cosmic inflation. Cosmic inflation is the idea that the universe expanded incredibly rapidly in the first fraction of a second after the Big Bang. Imagine a tiny balloon suddenly inflating to the size of a football field. That's kind of what we think happened to the universe. This rapid expansion would have smoothed out the fabric of space-time. It would have also stretched the universe to an enormous size, perhaps even to infinity. Think about stretching a piece of dough to make a pizza. As you stretch it, it gets thinner and flatter. Cosmic inflation might have done the same thing to the universe. If the universe is indeed infinite, it means there could be an infinite number of galaxies out there. And that raises some really interesting questions. Like, are there other planets like Earth? Could there be other forms of life out there? The idea of an infinite universe is full of possibilities, but it's important to remember that it's still just a theory. We need more evidence to say for sure whether the universe is truly infinite. Section 5. A universe without end, flatness and infinity. The concept of an infinite universe has fascinated scientists and philosophers for centuries. Another piece of evidence that supports the infinite universe idea is the shape of the universe itself. The geometry of the universe plays a crucial role in understanding its true nature. Scientists have been studying the geometry of the universe for decades. They use advanced telescopes and sophisticated computer models to gather data and make sense of the cosmos. They want to know if it's curved, like a sphere, or flat, like a sheet of paper. This distinction is vital because it influences our understanding of the universe's size and shape. And guess what? The latest measurements suggest that the universe is incredibly flat. This finding has profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos. This might not seem like a big deal, but it's actually very important. A flat universe aligns with the idea that the universe could be infinite, stretching out endlessly in all directions. You see, a flat universe is consistent with an infinite universe. This means that if you were to travel in a straight line, you would never encounter a boundary or edge. If the universe were curved like a sphere, it would eventually loop back on itself. It would be finite with a limited amount of space and matter. But a flat universe can extend forever without curving. This opens up the possibility of an infinite number of galaxies, stars, and planets. Of course, these measurements are not perfect. There are still uncertainties and potential errors in the data. It's still possible that the universe is slightly curved in a way that we can't yet detect. Future advancements in technology and more precise measurements may provide clearer answers, but for now, the evidence seems to point towards a flat and possibly infinite universe. This idea challenges our perception of reality and invites us to ponder the true nature of existence. Section 6. Could the universe be finite? Exploring the closed loop. But what if the universe isn't infinite? What if it is finite, with an edge somewhere out there? This is where things get really interesting. One model for a finite universe is called the closed universe model. In this model, the universe is curved like a sphere. If you were to travel in a straight line for long enough, you would eventually end up back where you started. Think of it like walking around the Earth. You're always walking on a curved surface, but it seems flat to you because the Earth is so big. The same could be true of the universe. Section 7. Cosmic clues, unraveling the universe's secrets. The universe is vast and mysterious, filled with countless secrets waiting to be discovered. So, how do we figure out which model is right? Scientists use advanced technology and complex theories to piece together the puzzle of our cosmos. How can we tell if the universe is infinite or finite? This question has puzzled astronomers for centuries, driving them to explore deeper into space. Scientists are looking for clues in the light that reaches us from the most distant objects in the universe. This light, traveling across the vast expanse of space, holds the key to many of our questions. This light has been traveling for billions of years to get to us. Each photon carries with it a story from the past, a glimpse into the early days of the universe. It carries with it information about the early universe. By analyzing the light spectrum, scientists can decode these ancient messages. By studying this light, scientists hope to learn more about the shape and size of the universe. They use powerful telescopes and sophisticated instruments to gather and interpret this data. One of the things they're looking for are patterns in the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is a relic from the Big Bang, providing a snapshot of the universe's infancy. This radiation is a faint afterglow of the Big Bang. It permeates the entire cosmos, offering clues about the universe's origins and its ultimate fate. It fills the entire universe. No matter where we look, this ancient light is present, a constant reminder of the universe's explosive beginning. If the universe were finite, we might see repeating patterns in this radiation. These patterns would be like cosmic fingerprints, revealing the universe's true shape. It would be like seeing the same pattern on opposite sides of a patterned wallpaper. Such patterns would indicate a finite universe looping back on itself, but so far we haven't seen any such patterns. The search continues as scientists strive to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos, one photon at a time. To unlock the universe's secrets, scientists rely on incredible tools, telescopes and spacecraft. These marvels of engineering allow us to peer deep into the cosmos, capturing light that has traveled billions of years to reach us. The Hubble Space Telescope, orbiting high above Earth's atmosphere, has revolutionized our understanding of the universe. It has captured breathtaking images of distant galaxies, nebulas, and the remnants of exploded stars. Spacecraft like the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, promise to push the boundaries of our knowledge even further. With its advanced technology, the James Webb Telescope can observe even fainter and more distant objects, providing us with a glimpse into the universe's infancy. The question of whether the universe is infinite or finite has profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. If the universe is infinite, it means there could be an infinite number of galaxies, stars, and planets out there. It challenges our perception of scale and our significance in the grand scheme of things. It also raises intriguing questions about the possibility of other life forms existing elsewhere in the cosmos. On the other hand, a finite universe, while still incredibly vast, might seem more comprehensible. It would imply that there are limits to what we can observe and understand. The quest to determine the universe's true nature is a testament to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. Scientists continue to develop new theories, conduct groundbreaking experiments, and build even more powerful telescopes to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos. The answer to whether the universe is infinite or finite may still elude us for some time, but the journey of exploration and discovery is just as important as the destination. Each new piece of information brings us closer to understanding our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. So, is the universe infinite or finite? The truth is, we don't know for sure yet, but that's okay. The mystery is part of what makes the universe so fascinating. What we do know is that the universe is vast, awe-inspiring, and full of possibilities. Whether it stretches on forever or has an edge somewhere out there, it's a place that continues to inspire wonder and curiosity in all of us. So keep looking up at the stars, keep asking questions, and keep exploring the universe around you. You never know what amazing discoveries you might make.